Hello students, welcome one and all. Let me start with English subject, and first of all let me wish all of you a good luck as you are going to write your final examination. Before we enter into the topic, let me start with the introduction of the exam pattern and the syllabus and the number of questions. So as you all know that SI means exam, English paper is of 100 marks, okay? Out of 100 marks, we have 25 marks for objective type and 75 marks for descriptive type. Objective type is known as part A and descriptive type is known as part B. Objective type questions wherein you will just have to fill the blanks, choose the right options, okay? They will be giving you multiple choice questions, option A, option B, option C, option D, okay? So out of that you have to choose the best answer. So you will be given 4 options using various method, elimination method, or if you know the exact answer you will just have to choose and you have to write the answer. That is objective type. Whereas what is descriptive type? Descriptive type is something where you will not have any answer given. You don't have to choose answer. Read the question and then you have to write the description. For example, write a letter to one of the newspaper's editor. Write a letter to one of your friend. Write a letter to as a complaint regarding something. So this is how you will be writing. Description will be there. No multiple choice options will be given to you. Okay. These 25 marks of objective type, they will be having negative marking. Okay. So if you write the wrong answer, for example, there are 10 questions, out of which you wrote 5 correct and other 5 are wrong. So for each question, here actually each question carries half mark. We are having 50 questions, having 25 marks. So number of questions will be 50 here. 50 questions you will have, which carries 25 marks and each question carries half marks. Okay. But if you write a wrong answer, you have negative marking, wherein your 1/4 mark will be cut for every wrong answer. Please note, for part A, objective type questions, you will be having 50 questions. Each question will carry half mark, and that half mark, for each question makes the total of 25 marks. For these 25 marks, if you write a wrong answer, from each wrong answer, for each wrong answer, 1/4 mark will be cut. So you have negative marking. Why did they put negative marking here? Just to make you accurate, okay? Whatever answer you are attempting, if you know the answer perfectly, only then you are supposed to attempt in this. You should not make an attempt unless until you are sure about the answer, okay? Or else if the answer is wrong, simply if you just guess and put A, B, C anyhow, okay, you will lose the mark. There are chances that you may lose the marks. So kindly think before you mark any option. Until unless you are damn sure, 100% sure, okay fine, this is the answer, don't mark it, okay? Then, what is the syllabus for this objective type? You have usage, vocabulary, grammar, comprehension and language skill of MCQ type. So here usage is nothing but related to the grammar, like what all points will you be, maybe it can be a match the following pattern or it can be a fill in the blank pattern. Just you have to apply the skills whatever you have in that particular subject. Then you have vocabulary. Vocabulary is, they may give you certain words, every day it's better that you practice 5 to 10 words, prepare, go through, refer to dictionaries for a few words, okay? And for vocabulary, they may ask you meaning, okay? Either they may give you a word and ask you to select the meaning, or they may give you a sentence and ask you to substitute it with one word. So those kind of questions you will get from vocabulary section. Coming to grammar, as you all know, that we have good topics in English grammars like parts of speech, sentence structure, active passive voice, adverbs, modifiers. So we'll be going through all these classes now. So please don't panic that we have lot of syllabus. English is very, very enjoyable language. Once you get into, you will enjoy a lot. Okay, please leave the tendency that it's very difficult to learn. It is actually very easy to learn if you have the habit of using it daily. And then coming to the final one, it's comprehension and language skill. So comprehension, I guess you people know, we are writing it since 6th standard. Not 6th standard, I can say, nowadays even 3rd standard kids are aware of what is comprehension. So comprehension is what here now, they will give you a passage and out of that paragraph, they will give you some 5 to 6 questions. Okay. And for each question, there will be a multiple choice option. Like question number 1, A, B, C, D. Question number 2, A, B, C, D. So you have to answer those questions by reading the paragraph given. Okay, I hope I'm clear. They will give you a paragraph. You have to read the paragraph thoroughly. After reading the paragraph, based on that same thing, there will be some questions. You have to just mark the right answer based on that paragraph. So that is comprehension and language skill. So these are the things which you will get in objective type. Okay. So usage, vocabulary, grammar and comprehension. So there is negative marking. Please, before you mark the answer, I am repeating it again and again, before you mark the answer, please be rest assured and then mark the answer. Okay. So I hope you understood this part A of your paper, which is objective type, carries 25 marks and 50 questions. Now coming to part B. Okay, part B is also known as descriptive, and let me tell you, there is no negative marking. Please feel happy for that. You can attempt n number of questions, no problem in that. And in this we have descriptive, like precise writing, maybe writing a paragraph, writing an essay. Okay, so writing will be there, precise writing will be there. Then writing a letter or reports, that is another thing. Then we also have essay writing, and then we have topical paragraphs and reading comprehension. Again, here also you will be reading a comprehension, reading a paragraph and comprehending it, understanding it. You will read a paragraph, understand it, and then you will write the answers. Now you may get difference. Ma'am, you told that we have comprehension in part A, we have comprehension in part B. So let me clear one doubt to you people. Here for comprehensive answers, you will be having options like A, B, C, D, and you have to choose the option. But here they may not give you options. Only question will be given. You have to find the answer from the paragraph and write. So these will be like multiple choice questions, and these will be direct answers. Okay, I hope I have justified the introduction of the paper. So please go through each and every video carefully and try to use these terms and things whenever possible. Please practice as many questions possible from each topic to get the command over the subject. Let us meet in other class with a new topic.